So then eventually you get to the point where you're doing 4 separate strum patterns for the 4 separate parts of the song, and you want to start putting it together. So you're keeping a constant pulse going. In the intro, it's just 1 strum. In the verses, it's the short, long. In the pre-choruses, it's the down, down, miss, up, up. And then in the choruses, it's down, 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 up, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So let's put together some of that. We'll do once around the chords for an intro, once around the chords for a verse with the different strum pattern. Sorry, twice around for the verse, twice around for the pre-chorus also, but with a stop on the G, and then twice around for a chorus. All right, I'll just sort of sing some of the lyrics and talk you through what I'm doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, intro. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then to the verse. Home, home, alligator, see you later. Gonna hit the road. Just short, long, keeping the same pulse going as we had in the intro. I get used to this. Then the pre-chorus, I fast by.